The digital world has become our home, familiar and comfy, and the key to your home should only belong to you. The key to your digital home is your password. Never share your passwords with anyone and don't allow others to log into your accounts. Do not write down your passwords, especially not on paper. Store your passwords in a reliable password manager and don't use the same password for all your accounts. It's like putting the same lock on all your doors. Don't share passwords in emails or messages. Password managers have a secure sharing feature for that. Whenever possible, use two-factor authentication. That way, to access your account, you need both your password and a code, which you get on another device. So even if someone steals your password, they can't steal your account. Avoid weak passwords like these. They're easy to guess. Strong passwords contain uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. It can be hard to memorize a strong password, but you can use a simple password phrase to help.
This can be one way to remember.
After tweaking this phrase in a way only known to you, you get the password. With a good password, your data remains yours, and don't forget to change it every 12 months.